Today's mission was simple. Get on a boat, find some fish, have an adventure, and maybe spot a loon or two. What could possibly go wrong? Well, this happened. The clouds rolled in, the wind picked up, and before we got started, our boat trip was over. Not exactly how we expected our night to end. So, what did we do? We decided to go fishing right from the dock. About 10 minutes in, we were casting, and we challenged ourselves, said, we are not going to stop until we catch a fish. Right before nightfall, it finally happened. We completed our challenge for the evening. We caught a fish. Our evening's mission was simple. We wanted to catch a fish, we wanted to see some loons, and have a good time. Sometimes adventures don't always happen the way you expect them, but if you keep on trying, you never know what you'll find. I hope you enjoy this beautiful sunset.